Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 not working. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So, if you're having problems with your Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 and generally speaking it's not working properly for you, well, the most common culprit for this is due to your battery. Now, a battery here that has like low charge or does not have enough charge to operate your Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 here may cause a lot of issues. Like for example, it may not use its flash, other components may not working properly here. So you need to replace the battery itself or charge your batteries first. So make sure to use a new AA alkaline battery if you want to use if you want to continue using it. Now in this case, it is also recommended that you don't use the chargeable ones because as these work best with the Instax Mini 12. So ones that are disposable or disposable batteries are going to be the one best for the Instax Mini 12 here, not the chargeable ones. And also when you're inserting the batteries itself, you may need to check the polarity of your battery here. So incorrectly inserting the batteries itself can cause a lot of issues, especially it's not going to power on if it's incorrectly inserted. So there's going to be like plus and minus signs inside the battery compartment here, and make sure to match the polarity of your batteries. Now also, the camera won't power on unless the lens is completely extended and locked into place. So what you need to do here is you want to twist the lens and wait until you feel that firm click. That means it's properly activated. Now, also if your batteries are fine but the camera still won't power on, usually it's more of a hardware thing. So he did most of the troubleshooting things here. So there might be like corrosion inside your batteries here. So especially like if you left a battery inside your camera here, this can cause issues as well. So there might be some leakages inside, so that's why it's no longer working properly. But if you just recently bought this, again, it may be just some hardware or faulty component inside. So it's best to contact support and see what are your options. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.